In this video, we shall be looking at conversion of numbers from one base to another. Here, when converting from one base to another, say from base 4 to base 5, we first convert the numbers to base 10 and then convert to the required base. So let's check some examples and see how that goes. So example, convert 432 base 4 to base 7, and 2, convert 127 base 8 to base 4. So what do? I said we convert first to base 10. So converting 432 to base 10, we know our first step is to label the index. So I have 0, 1, 2. So what do I do next? I multiply through, that's my expansion. So I have 4 times 4 raised to power 2 plus 3 times 4 raised to power 1 plus 2 times 4 raised to power 0. So that will give me 4 times 16 plus 3 times 4 plus 2 times 1. So this will give me 4 times 16 will give me 64, 3 times 4 will give me 12, 2 times 1 will give me 2. So adding this up now, I have my answer to be 78 base 10. So now that we have converted to base 10, so we are going to now convert to the required base, which we are to convert to base 7. So what do? We convert 78 to base 7. So how do? We do the long division by dividing 78 through by 7. So we have 78 in 7. 7 in 78 will give us 11 remainder 1. 7 in 11 will give me 1 remainder 4. 7 in 1 will give me 0 remainder 1. So how do I write my answer from bottom up? So I have my answer to be 141 base 7. So that's simply the step you have to follow when converting from one base to another. So we just converted 432 from base 4 to base 7. Can you see it's pretty simple? So let's see another example. So we are going to be converting also 127 base 8 to base 4. So we convert this to base 10 first. So I do my labeling. So I have 0, 1, 2. So I expand this. I have 1 times 8 raised to power 2 plus 2 times 8 raised to power 1 plus 7 times 8 raised to power 0. So this will give me 1 times 64, 8 raised to power 2 will give me 64 plus 2 times 8 plus 7 times 1. 8 raised to power 0 will give you 1. So we have 7 times 1. So 1 times 64 will give me 64. 2 times 8 will give me 16. And 7 times 1 will give me 7. So here I have, adding it up, I have 87 in base 10. So what do we do next? We convert 87 to base 4. So converting 7 to base 4 now, I have 87, I divide through by 4. So 4 in 87 will give me 21, remainder 3. 4 in 21 will give me 5, remainder 1. 4 in 5 will give me 1, remainder 1. And 4 in 4 will give me 0, remainder 1. So writing out my answer now, I have 1113 base 4.